Good morning, everybody. My name is Jennifer. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please, if it resonates, please stay. If it does not, please go away. Sorry. I just realized that I am very feral. And what I mean by feral is I love nature. I love nature. I love to take pictures of nature. I love to be in nature. I like to sit in nature. I like to do crazy things in nature. Because nature is my home. During the abuse, 15 years, I'd like to say he was a narcissist, but I'm starting to lean more towards a sociopath because the more and more things are triggering me to remember and how I had to daily fight the psychological battle of trying to regain my reality. Because nothing was real. Nothing was true. Nature, I have horses too, and I would ride every day, man. And the abuser, he was jealous. He was jealous when I would take off on my horse. That would piss him off. Why? Because all the attention wasn't on him. But nature, man. Nature is my healing ground. I'm going to stay wild and feral forever. So future hubby, you hear that? We're going to spend a lot of times outside. The outdoors are my thing. Where are you all at? Joking. Health, wealth, and abundance.